See here, this is the motorcycle room. Look there, that is Itchy Boots' bike. There they are showing clips of Itchy Boots. The one bike I really want to see is Itchy Boots, Noraly's bike, Savannah. She had that bike. She had that bike in Southern Africa when she rode that here. She bought the bike second-hand, actually in Johannesburg. And then she rode with that bike throughout Southern Africa. She also did a rally with the bike. There was a few things. I know there's a exhaust burn and the tail broke off, if I could remember. I actually can't remember all the details, but I will definitely show you that bike there as soon as I see it. There's the guys taking a photo of themselves, a selfie. Silver River Bridge. Okay, this is the Passes Road, that is Noraly Bridge. I see the altitude is 125 meters. Beautiful bridge. South Africa is really a beautiful country, and not just country, I think the Garden Route is the... Oh, so this is the Hooghenkral Pass. The altitude is 113 meters and the summit is 225. Okay, this is the Karatra Pass. There's the guys. I think this is one of the other passes. Okay, this is the Omtini Pass. I see it's only 49 meters and the summit is 238 meters. Yeah, so, and then I think there's one pass more. This pass is beautiful. This river here, you can see, it's absolutely beautiful here. And yeah, like I said, I think there's one more pass left. There we turn off to Knysna. Okay, this is the Phantom Pass. Okay, there's the Phantom Pass. Altitude 185 meters. And here's the start of the Phantom Pass. Look at that dog! Look at the dog! Look at that beautiful lagoon here in Knysna. This lagoon is a lot of seahorses, and seahorses is a weird creature. The males, they actually see, there's some bikers here behind me. The males actually, they look after the children, and the female, she goes off. Now, I think a lot of human females would have liked that a lot.
Knysna is a scenic town along South Africa's garden route. It's famed for its lush forest, tranquil lagoon and iconic Knysna heads. It's a haven for nature enthusiasts, adventure seekers and motorcycle enthusiasts alike. One of the standout attractions is the Motorcycle Room, a private museum dedicated to showcase an impressive collection of over 150 motorcycles, from vintage classics to the custom builds. It is a must visit for anyone passionate about two-wheeled machines, offering a nostalgic glimpse into the evolution of motorcycles.
There in front is the Motorcycle Room. Okay, we arrived here at the Motorcycle Room. This is the motorcycle collection. It was a great experience riding through the Seven Passes Road. It was actually my first time. I did a part of it before, but this was actually the first time I ever did it. See here, this is the Motorcycle Room. Okay, this is Motorcycle Room. 50. All these bikes. Look there, that is Itchy Boots' bike. She rode with that through southern Africa, and yeah, I'm following her channel, and it's quite nice to actually see all this adventures she has.
In the Motorcycle Room, visitors can marvel at Savannah, the Honda CRF250L, ridden by Noraly Schoenmaker, famously known as Itchy Boots.
There's the part that actually where the light was burned by the exhaust. This is Maria. Looks like he went from Kairu to Cape Town in 2005. There they are showing clips of itchy boots.
The collection boasts nearly 150 bikes, including rare vintage models, classic street bikes, racing machines, and custom builds. It also features quirky and lesser seen models, making it a treasure trove for enthusiasts. Visitors can admire iconic brands like Harley-Davidson, Triumph, Ducati, Honda, and Yamaha, among others.
Bikes, bikes, wherever you look.
The motorcycle room also serves as a hub for motorcycle culture, hosting events, meetups, and theme exhibitions. It's a space where enthusiasts can connect, share stories, and celebrate their passion for motorcycling.
Look at this. Speed record, team maximum. Okay. Yeah, I could remember these. They weren't very safe as I can remember. A 62 Java CN 175cc model. Wow, this is really an engine with wheels. Bare minimum. James 150cc Cadet 1955. A lot of bikes.
Whether you're a rider, collector, or someone curious about the world of bikes, the Motorcycle Room offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of freedom and adventure, symbolized by motorcycles.
Yamaha IT490 1983 custom track racer. BMW HP4 racer.
Noraly is a celebrated solo motorcycle traveler and YouTuber who has ridden across the world, inspiring adventurers with her daring journeys. Savannah was a loyal companion during her travels, tackling rugged terrains and diverse climates. This bike stands as a testament to endurance and adventure, and its inclusion in the museum highlights the spirit of exploration and freedom that motorcycles embody.
It was really exciting being in that motor museum, seeing Itchy Boots' bike, just imagining how many adventures she had with that bike. Yes, like and subscribe, and keep looking at my other adventures in this area. Thank you for watching, and I think it was a wonderful day.